Hello students, this video is for class 2, subject mathematics, topic division, page number 90 and 91, and this video is prepared by Alka Sharma.
Children, page number 90, division and multiplication are related. Look here, multiplication fact. Two groups are here and each group has 4 stars. 2 4s are 8. Two groups and each group has 4 stars. 2 4s are total number 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Division fact. 8 stars. Here 8 stars. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 divided into 2 equal groups. One group, two group gives 4 stars in each. 1 2 3 4 gives 4 stars in each. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. In multiplication fact, 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8, and in division fact, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Second division fact is 8 stars divided into 4 equal groups gives 2 stars in each. 4 groups and each group has 2 stars. 2 stars. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So, multiplication fact is 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 groups and each group has 4 stars is equal to 8 stars. And in division fact, 8 stars are there and they are divided into 2 groups and each group has 4 stars. In second fact, 8 stars are there. They are divided into 4 groups and each group has 2 stars. Okay. So, their multiplication and division are related to each other. Second example. 3 2s are 6. 1 2 3 3 and each group has 2 pins. So, 3 2s are 6. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. In division fact, 6 clips divided into 3 equal groups gives 2 clips in each. 6 clips are there and divided into 3 equal groups gives 2 clips. And here 6 clips divided into 2 equal groups 1 2 gives 3 clips each. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Same as 1 2 3 4. 4 groups are here and each group has 3 pencils. So 4 3s are 12. 4 and each group has 3 pencils. So 4 3s are 12. In division fact, 12 pencils divided into 4 groups gives 3 each. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Second fact, 12 pencils are 12s divided into 3 equal groups. One group, second group, third group. 3 equal groups gives 1 2 3 4 pencils each. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So children, multiplication facts give division facts. We use multiplication tables to do division sums. Okay? हम लोग जो है मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल को ही यूज करेंगे डिवीजन सम्स करने के लिए. Page number 91. Fill in. First A. 4 divided by 2 is equal to. So, children, here 4 is dividend, 2 is divisor. Recite the multiplication tables of 2. Find out how many times 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 goes in 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 times, है ना? 2 goes in 4 2 times. So write 2 in the quotient place. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. B. 6 divided by 2. So here recite the multiplication table of 2 again. Find out how many times 2 goes in 6. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 3 times. So write 3 in quotient place. 2 3s are 6. C. 3 divided by 3. 3 1 is 3. D. 8 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So write here 4. 4 is quotient. So answer is also 4. In division, 8 is called dividend, 2 is called divisor, and answer is called quotient. E. 6 divided by 3. Recite the multiplication tables of 3 here. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So write 2 here and this is your answer. F. 9 divided by 3. Table of 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So you will write here 3. 3 3s are 9. G. 12 divided by 3. 12 1 is 12 divided by 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So write 4 here. That is called quotient and it is also answer. Here H. 21 divided by 3. Again you recite the multiplication tables of 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 24. So 3 7s are 24. So 7 is the answer. I. 4 divided by 4. 4 1 is 4. Write 1 here. J. 16 divided by 4. Recite here multiplication tables of 4. Find out how many times 4 goes in 16. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. So write here 4. 4 4s are 16. So 4 goes 14 4 times. 4 goes 16 4 times. So write 4 in quotient place. K. 20 divided by 4. Recite the multiplication tables of 4 again. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20, write 5 here. 12 divided by 4 is 5. L. 28 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. Write 7 here. 4 7s are 28. 7 is the answer. Second, here 2-digit numbers are there and you have to multiply. Recite the multiplication tables of 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. B. 20 divided by 2. 2 10s are 20. C. 18 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. So 9 is the answer. D. 18 divided by 3. 3. How many is 18? 3. 6 are 18. E. 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 27 divided by 3. 3 9s are 27. 4 8 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 24 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24. I. 32 divided by 4. Recite the multiplication table of 4. Find out how many times 4 goes in 32. 4 8s are 32. Okay. J. 10 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. K. 20 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. L. 25 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25.
Children, do the remaining parts of the exercise. Now match your answers. Children, do all work neatly in your book and in your copy also.